everyone, today the topic we are going to talk about is the human digestive system. See, like machine, human being also need fuel to perform different works. The food that we eat serves as the fuel to our human body. See, the food eaten by the human beings breaks down into smaller pieces, which is called digestion. See, if we talk about the digestive system, it has two parts there, alimentary canal and supportive organs. See, in alimentary canal we have mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. If we see in supportive organs, we have teeth, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. See, in order to learn this alimentary canal, we will see the diagram here. See, in alimentary canal first we have mouth. See, in the mouth the food is collected and the saliva comes from the salivary glands. They are chewed and mixed together and the enzymes found there, the starch and the carbohydrates, it is chewed and it is converted into the sugar and it is swallowed inside by the pipe called esophagus. It goes to the stomach. See, the stomach is J in shape. It is muscular organs which store the swallowed food from the mouth to the esophagus. There the swallowed food stay for 2 to 3 hours. After that it produce a gastric juice into 3 substances there: hydrochloric acid, pepsin enzymes and the mucus. See, the main work is done here is the pepsin enzymes. See, this pepsin enzymes breaks down the proteins into smaller pieces and then it goes to the small intestine. See, this small intestine is 5 to 6 meter long. Here also some enzymes are found. It is the amylase, trypsin and lipase. See, this amylase breaks down the starch and the carbohydrates, and the trypsins break down the protein, and the lipase breaks down the fats. So, see, by breaking down the carbohydrates, proteins and fats, it is completely broken down and it goes to the large intestine. Here the large intestine absorbs the undigested food, water, and at last it passes the waste food from the large intestine to the rectum. At last from the rectum it goes out through the anus. So this was the digestive system which is done in our human body. And now if we discuss about the supportive organs, then this teeth, it is in the mouth which is supported, and second the salivary glands, it is also supported just above the mouth which gives us the saliva. Third we have the liver, it is just supported just in the stomach. Fourth we have gallbladder, it is just below the liver, here we can see. And fifth the pancreas, just between the stomach and the large intestine. Here we can see it is like a leafy shape. So this was the topic and the concepts of the human digestive system. So children, still if you have any doubt, any clarifications you need, anything to ask, then just comment.